2, 1. What's up, guys? Okay, so another setup for the triangle. Okay, triangle, 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 choke. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this time, let's say, so we already covered, okay, we already came to the conclusion that maybe this isn't the best posture to hit the triangle because they're too far, it's too telegraphed. You want to pull them in, so knees tight, leg raised, knee pull, hands on the mat, collar tie. Yes, you can also, from here you can hit either. So if their hand comes up, right, to push away, that's when you grab the wrist and push in. Okay, good, hip out and boom. Now, if their hands stay on the mat, okay, that's where you attack the bicep tie, over in front of the bicep. Yes, and bring your knee inside like the clamp, go to the clamp. Yeah, so that's the time if the hands are on the mat. Okay, now, what if the hands are all the way down here on the mat? Okay, but they're kind of like they're spinning you here. So you can still fire the clamp. Okay, you can still hit the clamp here. Okay, even if they put their hands on your belly here like this, or inside to defend. Okay, so go ahead. All you're gonna do is your collar tie with one. Very good. Now the other one swims inside. You swim your hand inside underneath. Yeah, so you see how it's tight, it's hard, right? So once we're here, watch. Hold my head down. Squeeze your knees. Now bridge. When you bridge, there's space, swim. See, now she's inside. Okay, and then now from here, it's a lot of hipping out. Okay, away from the bicep tie, just like the last video. So go ahead, foot down, hip, there you go. So, and everything's the same. Now, if my arm stays inside like this, it's gonna be hard to fire the triangle. So you're better off grabbing my wrist with your right hand, this wrist, and pulling it across for a back take. Right? Okay. But however, sometimes your arms will be under your shoulder. Now you can attack the clamp just like we did a while ago. So put your left heel to your right knee. Yes, move your body this way. Good. Yep, you got it. Yes. And then now as I get up, that's where the shot happens. And you're always holding the head. Okay, good. Now, let's see that again in this angle here. Or maybe better this one, sorry. Here. Okay, right here. So I'm like this, I'm low. Okay? If somebody goes like this, boy, life is easy. Just go to the clamp straight up. Hold the lock. Okay? If they just keep their hands like this. So normally they'll do this, they'll bring their hands inside. Trying to control the bicep. So you hold the collar tie or an over tie now, right? Or if you want to make sure, swim this one in. So when you have the collar tie, punch me this way. Now swim it inside my arm. Yes, good. Okay, now start attacking the same. Hip, bridge first. Cross, hips up. Yes, you have to be inside. Win the hand fight, then go for the clamp. Then now here, look, left foot on the mat. Look how she sneaks the right knee inside. Go push. Or framing. Yep, once it's in, push off my shoulder with your right knee to get the other leg in the game. Okay, and then now from here, once you see the head lift, it's triangle time. Right? If the head is down, you shouldn't attack his arm. It's another class. But as soon as I lift my head, control the collar, now scoop the leg. Yeah, exactly. It's so tight. Okay, guys? So that's another setup. If they're staying low and keeping their hands in, fight the hands. You want to win that game. Okay, because it's going to be a fight. It's going to be like this. Like, he's going to be here, head low in the middle, and going to block. Okay, so you have to swim. And the way you swim is with the collar tie, you can punch him over. Right? Yes, you could do this. Frame with the other hand, like how he is doing. Then hips up. For the last one, you have to win that fight. Be on the inside. Okay, relax. Being on the inside means your arms are at any point can be bicep tied inside the shoulders. You don't want me to control your shoulders. You want to control their shoulders. Exactly. Okay, so that's the game. Any questions, let us know. Okay?
Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. Okay, guys? Let's all keep interacting and growing together. Okay, ready? Here we go.